In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of Salesforce, one of the most widely used customer relationship management platforms in the world, so you can decide whether it's the right fit for your business, team, and long-term growth. Salesforce is often thought of as the industry standard CRM, and for good reason. It's built to handle everything from basic contact management to extremely complex sales, support, and marketing workflows. At its core, Salesforce lets you track prospects, leads, customers, interactions, deals, tasks, and more in one central place. When you log in, you get a dashboard that reflects your pipeline, how many deals are open, which stage they're in, recent interactions, revenue forecasts, and tasks that need your attention. This visibility is powerful because instead of guessing what's happening with your sales, you can see it clearly and act on it. One of the biggest strengths of Salesforce is its customization and scalability. If your business has unique processes, multiple departments, or complex workflows, Salesforce can be shaped to match your needs. You can create custom fields, objects, automation rules, approval processes, and dashboards tailored to exactly how your team operates. This makes Salesforce particularly strong for medium and large businesses, enterprise teams, or organizations running complex sales cycles where one-size-fits-all tools simply don't fit. Integration is another area where Salesforce shines. Because it's used by so many companies, it connects with hundreds of apps and services from email platforms and customer support systems to analytics tools and marketing automation apps. This ecosystem means Salesforce can become the backbone of your business instead of just another siloed tool, especially when you want data flowing between sales, marketing, and support. Reporting and analytics are also major reasons businesses choose Salesforce. You can generate detailed reports on sales performance, win rates, pipeline velocity, team workloads, and forecasts. This data can guide strategic decisions, whether it's scaling your sales team, identifying training needs, or forecasting revenue. For teams that rely on numbers to manage performance and growth, Salesforce's reporting is a big advantage. However, Salesforce does have trade-offs that matter depending on your situation. First, it's complex. Because it is so powerful and customizable, it can feel overwhelming at first. Setup often requires an experienced administrator or consultant, especially if you want to build custom workflows or integrations. For smaller teams or solo business owners who just want a simple place to manage contacts and deals, Salesforce can feel like overkill, like using enterprise software to manage basic tasks. Cost is another factor. Salesforce tends to be more expensive than simpler CRM tools, especially once you start adding advanced modules, integrations, or user licenses. If you're a small business on a tight budget, the total cost can add up quickly compared with leaner alternatives that cover only the basics you need. Another challenge lies in the learning curve. Many users report that it takes time before they feel comfortable using Salesforce effectively. The interface is powerful, but it's also dense with options, settings, and features. Without proper training, it's easy to feel lost or underutilize the platform. For teams without dedicated CRM expertise, this can delay productivity gains. So, who is Salesforce best for? It works especially well for medium to large businesses with complex sales processes, multiple teams, or specialized workflows, organizations that benefit from deep customization and automation, companies that want comprehensive reporting and analytics to drive strategic decisions, teams that need integration across sales, marketing, and support to unify data. Salesforce may feel too powerful or expensive if you are a small business that only needs simple contact and deal tracking, a solo entrepreneur or freelancer who wants something lightweight, a team that prefers plug-and-play simplicity over custom configuration. Overall, Salesforce is a robust, scalable, and highly customizable CRM that delivers real value for teams with complex needs. It's not the simplest tool to adopt, but if your business demands deep functionality, data visibility, and automation across departments, it can serve as your central system of record and growth engine. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Salesforce or are considering switching to it. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.